Rockmaster Group is a leading supplier for integrated piping solutions and expert for weld-overlay CIA technology. With our expertise, we develop a series of feature products and services for onshore, offshore, and subsea applications such as cladding, prefabrication services, subsea misalignment flange, clamp hub, subsea fittings, non-standard forgings, and all kinds of fasteners with corrosion-resistant coating. We also provide package service for project management, machining cladding services for valves, pressure vessel components. Rockmaster was founded in 2001 with headquarters located in Shanghai and 4 production plants respectively in Kunshan, Jian, Haiyan, Xuancheng, with total surface area over 100,000 square meters. Our products have been widely used in petroleum refinery, offshore platform, FPSO, long-distance pipeline, nuclear plant, environmental and power industry. We are approved vendor of CNOOC, CNPC, Sinopec, and are in long-term cooperation with some world-renowned companies in oil and gas industry such as MODEC, SBM, Technip FMC, Technip Energies, Saipem, Chevron, Cameron, Fluor, Shell, BP. Rockmaster Kunshan facility was founded in June 2013, covering an area of 18,000 square meters with 2 workshops and independent laboratory, mentoring room, and DD area. Our main business scope refers to CIA cladding, machining, and shop prefabrication services. The facility is certified by ISO 9001, ABS, BV, owning about 95 sets of cladding machines, 20 sets of inspection equipment for cladding and prefabrication. Our annual capacity reaches about 880-ton cladding wires, with 30 tons of cladding consumables in safe stock per year. In addition, we have a warehouse of bonded welding wires for overseas projects. We have our own equipment R&D teams who are capable of automation and mechanical design and offer customized cladding equipment according to customers' requirements. Moreover, we also offer prefabrication services for both clad and non-cladded pipeline. Rockmaster has won praise and respect from our worldwide customer through our high quality and outstanding performance. Welcome to Rockmaster.